This is Maggie. Maggie is a broody chicken, and she has a special job. This is her nest of duck eggs. Yes, I put her on duck eggs. She tries to escape her responsibilities every day, but when I put her back on the nest, she is reminded of the importance of her job and happily sits another day. Duck eggs take 28 days to hatch, which is a week longer than chicken eggs, so I don't blame her for getting tired. On day 27, I heard some peeping, so I went to check. But unfortunately, no ducklings had hatched yet.
Nothing. I'm sorry.
But then, that following night, I checked her again, and look at that! She actually did it. She actually hatched out ducklings. I am so excited.
You did it. Good job.
Later that night, the ducklings all fluffed up, and I decided to move them over to the brooder because falling down from a hay bale isn't exactly how I would like to start my life. Just look at them. Let's appreciate their cuteness for a minute. Maggie is just so sweet to them. She doesn't seem to care that they waddle a little different. The next morning, she already took her babies for a walk, which means that all the eggs had hatched, and I was really excited to find out how many ducklings she had.
What?
6 ducklings? Oh, that's incredible, Maggie. Maggie tries really hard to point the ducklings to the food, but there does seem to be some kind of language barrier. Everything turned out fine, and Maggie raised the ducklings up to be big ducks, and I'm very proud of her. Thank you very much for watching Maggie's hatching adventure. Okay, bye!